How to download and install Windows 10 on your VMware. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download your Windows 10 on VMware. Now let's get started. First of all, head over to your web browser and search for Windows 10 download. So search for Windows 10 download and head over to the Microsoft's official link. Now as you can see right here, download Windows 10 disk image ISO. Simply head over there and you should see the download option. Tap on download. So after you tap on download and the download gets completed, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to the download location. So I'll simply head over to the file. And now what you'll need to do is I'll just bring this to my desktop. So after you've just brought this to your desktop, open this up. After you open this up, you will have to set it up. So after you open the setup, what you'll need to do is you'll need to accept the terms and conditions. Tap on accept. So after you accept the terms and conditions, now you'll need to create an installation media. So select this one right here and then tap on next. Now after you do so, you can select the language, your edition and your architecture. After you do so, simply tap on next and you'll get two options. One is to add it to a USB flash drive. The one is to add it to a USB flash drive. Other is to create an ISO file. Now we'll tap on the ISO file and then tap on next. Now just let it create an ISO file. You can even create a new folder for this completely. So simply create an ISO file, tap on save, and it will start doing its thing. So after the ISO file gets completed, what you'll then need to do is tap on finish. After you tap on finish, it will take some time, but after it's done, you will need to open up your VMware. So open up your VMware. And after you open up your VMware, what you'll need to do is you'll need to create a new virtual machine. Now tap on create new virtual machine, tap on next. So now after you're here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to choose the ISO file that we just created. So tap on browse and head over to the ISO file. So right here, you will see this is the file location my ISO file was at. So simply select this, tap on open, and now tap on next. Now you can select the file location right here and then tap on next again. Now you can allocate the disk size. Tap on next, tap on finish, and after you're done, it will start creating disk. And after a few seconds, you can use your Windows 10 on VMware. Now as you can see right here, the Windows 10 machine is starting up. Now you can press any key to boot. So wait for it, and after some time, your Windows will start booting up, and you're basically good to go. And yeah, that is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.